At this point, you have been introduced to what you find in the bag. You've seen the Xpress roll itself out. We're going to get into more of that stuff a little bit later, but I'm going to spend a few clips here talking about some of the things that are unique and that may not be readily obvious. We're going to start with the fact that there are 3 air intakes. You've seen me use one. This air intake right here is the one that I deployed with to start this whole video series. But if you wanted this thing in a crawl space to roll or deploy in the opposite direction, that's what this one's for. This one is just tucked away here. If any of you have ever used a dry bag for rafting, water sports, things like that, the principle is exactly the same. This is another air interface to plug in the air mover on this side, if that's what you needed to do. To close it off, as we had done before, you simply roll it up until it kind of runs out of material. You fold it back on itself, and you clip it. And now it's not going to leak, okay? Before we move on to the next cool feature of the Xpress, we're going to show you the 3rd air intake. Just like the other one, you unclip it, you roll it out, you connect it. The interesting part about this one here is, yes, you can put an air mover, a standard air mover onto it. However, you can also use it to introduce desiccant air or any kind of heat supplement that you might require. Generally speaking, this particular intake is on the outside of the chamber you've created in the crawl space or in the attic space. And so where the air movers would be inside and helping to recirculate that warm, dry air, this one allows you to possibly inject warmer, drier air and help supplement that system. So those are the air interfaces. In the next clips, we're going to talk about some of the other features. Let's get to it.